Hello, Stanislaus County. Today is July 9th, 2020, and this is your community update. I'm Kristen Olson, Chair of the Stanislaus County Board of Supervisors. I know it's been a little while since we've had these updates on a regular basis. We're bringing them back because over the last week or so, we've received a number of questions from Stanislaus County residents about the status of COVID-19 in our counties. So starting today, every Thursday and Monday by 6 p.m., you can expect an update to be posted on the Stan Emergency website, Stan Emergency Facebook page, and Stan Emergency YouTube channel. Please continue to send in your questions, and we will do our best to address them in these updates. Tonight, I first wanted to talk about our rapidly rising numbers of COVID-19 in our county. You will see a significant uptick today in the total cumulative positive cases in our county. That is because the backlog reported by laboratories and the state CalReady system was reconciled with our county system today. That is a significant increase, as we said. More concerning is that our hospital numbers continue to go up. Our hospitals are stretched very thin right now and running very tightly. All of them are bringing in additional staffing so that they can accommodate and serve patients up to their total number of licensed beds. At the same time, Stanislaus County is ready and prepared to open up alternative care facilities if and when that need presents itself. We also wanted to talk about testing this evening. It used to be that you could get a same day or next day appointment for a test at any of our free testing facilities, currently located in Salida, West Modesto, and Turlock. Because of the increases in positive cases and exposure, and the increase in the number of people wanting a test, there's now a wait time to get a test at one of those free testing facilities. Because of that, we are asking people who are asymptomatic to hold off in seeking a test at one of those free locations. Instead, if you are asymptomatic and wanting a test, please visit your healthcare provider and seek a test that way. We need to reserve these free state and county-sponsored sites for those who are exhibiting symptoms and those referred to testing in those locations by public health for being at high risk. If you have symptoms of COVID-19 or you have been exposed to somebody who is COVID-19 positive, please quarantine, self-isolate at home for at least 10 days or 3 days after you no longer have a fever, whichever is longer. It is important that people not wait until they've had a positive test confirmed to remain at home. By remaining at home, you are helping to reduce spread. So again, if you are symptomatic or you've been exposed to somebody with COVID, please do isolate yourself, quarantine yourself at home. Finally, we wanted to talk about schools. I know there's a lot of concern in the community right now. I share it as a school parent about whether schools will be able to open in August. There are no concrete answers at this time, but the state of California is working hard on this issue. Next week, our public health officer has a meeting with all school superintendents in Stanislaus County to talk about the challenges and the opportunities. We all want to be able to safely reopen schools just as soon as possible, and we will keep you informed as new information becomes available. Your school districts will keep you informed as well. Stanislaus County, this is not a time to be fearful, even though our numbers are increasing, but it is a time to be vigilant. Practice social distancing, frequently wash your hands, wear your face covering when out in public. Where we're seeing the most community spread is in larger gatherings outside of the household. So please limit your mixing and mingling outside of your household. And when you are interacting with other members of the public, please do wear a face covering so that we can slow spread and avoid overwhelming our healthcare system. We hope you have a good evening, and we'll continue to provide you updates at least every Monday and Thursday. Have a great night.